Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. I know it's been a while. I took a longer break than I expected. There are a lot of things going on. There is a big announcements coming on YouTube. I have some life updates and changes. I hope I can post it this week or next week. But yeah, very soon. I'm back, so I'm planning a lot more videos and a lot more content for you guys. But if you have missed the latest news, check out my Instagram. I always post more there. It's a little easier than YouTube, so yeah. All right, so today we are going to be talking about lash extensions at home, and particularly we're not talking about the ones that can last you a whole month or so. These ones are meant to last you anywhere between 3 to 5 days. These ones particularly are from the brand called HERR Beauty. They are a Canadian company, so all the products are going to be listed in Canadian dollars. They specialize on lashes like this. They have quite a few different styles. I got two, so I'm definitely going to go in depth on both of them, what I think about it, how long it lasted, because honestly I've tried to do this video so many times and I've tested it quite few times, so if I look different in different footage, it's because I've been filming that on a different days. I had different hair and so on, but it's ain't me. So yeah, all right, without much rambling, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you the application, how to apply these lashes. It's a learning curve, but it's nothing complicated. After a few times I got a hold of it and it was so easy and so quick. All right guys, we're gonna start with the style Paparazzi, and honestly I really love this one. I got them in two sizes, 12 and 14 millimeters, and they do come with an invisible band. They also send me their bond. It comes in clear, like white, it dries in clear, and the black one, honestly, compared to the Kiss one that I had, this one is much better. They do have the scepter as well on their website available. All the products are sold separately, so keep that in mind. So the first thing what we want to do is apply the bonder on our lashes. I do like the black one because it mimics mascara, and since I don't have black lashes, mine are like invisible, that helps to kind of blend them better with the lashes. If you are trying the first time these kind of lashes, just keep in mind they are applied underneath your own lashes, so they don't go above. You just place them underneath. Now try to not get them too close to your eyeball and not too close to the waterline underneath, as that might be a little too harsh for your skin and might end up being uncomfortable. If you have sensitive and watery eyes, I strongly recommend not to place them too close to the waterline. Once you're done aligning them, just get the scepter and try to press your own lashes with the falsies together just to make the bond a little stronger. That will definitely help making them last a lot longer. Now, for more of a natural look, I would definitely recommend about 5 segments per eye. If you would like that va-va-voom, like extra volume, probably can go as far as 10. The beauty of it, you can stack them on top of each other, and no, it's not gonna feel too heavy. This pack comes in with 20 segments, so you definitely have plenty to use to make that va-va-voom look that you're looking for. I personally used 7 at this time. They look so flawless and you really can't see any bands or anything. It does look like, extensions that you're doing at a salon. Alright guys, the next style I'm going to show you today are the Qeen V lashes. These ones are a little more like mimicking the salon style lashes and have that extra curve. It's very flattering and super cute. By the way, the lashes are made of high-grade synthetic fiber that is softer, lighter, and 100% vegan. Now, when I filmed this one, how I applied it, this was the first time I tried them on, and as you can tell, my eyes are extra puffy, and I was going through very severe allergies. My eyes were constantly watering and been sneezing and all, you know how that goes. So yeah, if you have exactly the same issues, I do have them in March, sadly a whole month. So yeah, try not to put them too close to the waterline. As you can see here, I put them way too close to the waterline. It ended up bothering me, so I ended up taking them off that night. But once my allergies were off, I ended up wearing them for a whole 4 days without a problem. These ones, you can stack them on top of each other as well. I used 7 on each eye. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Let me know in the comments which style did you like best, the Paparazzi or the Qeen V style. I personally love the Paparazzi, even though at first when I saw them I wasn't that sure I would. So yeah, I absolutely love these one. I actually cleaned them, reused them. I got them in March, you guys, and I still wear them, and I still have some extra left that are clean. So definitely recommend them if you're looking for something like that. They do ship to US as well. I think it takes a little longer, but other than that, their customer service is awesome. I will definitely leave the link in the description box if you guys want to grab yourself some. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!